Hi, welcome back to my channel. I know, something different, not just twist. But yeah, today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I do my nails. Yeah, so here they are. They're so pretty, and they're holographic. I did them home by myself. I know I'm not really a nail person, so this is a big achievement for me. And it's not like I'm gonna go out and get my nails done, so might as well do it myself. The only thing about these is that they're really long. I never have long nails because I bite my nails, so this right here is like extremely long for me. So I'm gonna cut them right after this and show you guys what it looks like short. So this is long for now. Put on my highlighter, so I'm just like really into myself right now, you guys. But I did it. Okay, let me show you how I got these done. So you're gonna need nails, of course. I have clear ones here, and then I have this kind of holder for the nails. I don't know how to use it, honestly. Then I have super strong glitter glue. I got it from Amazon. And just a clear top coat that I got from Dollar Tree. Then I also got this holographic glitter from Amazon. I really don't know how to use this. If you know how to use this, please let me know down below. The first thing I do is file the nail as far as I'm gonna put the glitter. So anywhere that I'm gonna put glitter, I'm gonna file it. Filing it helps the glue and the glitter stick better to the nail, and you can also do this for regular, just plain nail polish colors. So I take the glitter glue and then I scrape off the excess because it comes out a lot, so you might want to use just a little bit. I put it exactly where I filed and where I want the glitter. Then I grab the glitter and I just dip it in at an angle. Just dip it right into the glitter. Then I tap off the excess glitter into the glitter cap. And there you go, the perfect holographic glittered nail. And you did it yourself. The last step is to add the top coat, and I would add several layers. So I would add one layer, let it dry, then add a second layer. And this is just to keep the glitter in place so that when you wash your hands, it doesn't come off. And I'm just gonna do it one more time just so you can see it again.
You know how to get to me. You know what to say to make me wanna come to you. gotta do is call me baby. Tell me know how to treat a lady. It seems too good to be true. Oh my God, you're so dangerous, dangerous with your love. 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 Please don't call my name like that. It makes me want you. I don't wanna fall, but you seem to pull me under. Doing all the things I didn't teach you. Always by my side when I need you. It seems too good to be true. You're so dangerous, dangerous with your love. So dangerous, dangerous with your love. So dangerous, dangerous with your love.
And that's exactly why I have on gloves, because it would get stuck to your hand and you just have glitter all over your hand. So at this point, you'd either put on nail glue or stickers. I prefer the stickers, so I put on the stickers. Make sure your hands are washed and free of any oils or lotion so that the sticker lasts longer. So I got basically everything here from Amazon. The only thing I didn't get from Amazon was the top coat, but you can get all these things at, I'm pretty sure, Walmart. Almost certain you can get false nails at Dollar Tree, so this is gonna be pretty affordable. So this is what they finally look like, and if you really don't want to do these yourselves, I do sell these for $10 on my boutique called Bellissima Beauty Boutique, so go check it out. I'll leave the link down in the description.
You know what to play to get me to dance to your tune. All you gotta do is call me baby. Tell me know how to treat a lady. It seems too good to be true. Oh my God, you're so dangerous, dangerous with your love. 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 Please don't call my name like that. It makes me want you. I don't wanna fall, but you.
All right, so that's how I did it, and after I put them on, I like press down to make sure it stays. And I like the nail stickers more than I like nail glue because they hurt less. I don't know what it is. I used to get press-ons and use nail glue, and whenever I would put them on and like I would hit it against something, it would hurt so much because it's like attached to, like, I don't know, it just, nail glue, super glue makes it, I don't know, stick too much to the point where it hurts. But here, if I hit it against something, it's just, it's not painful at all. So you guys see how I'm glowing? Like, I am glowing. I used my highlighter that's launching soon at my Drafting Beauty collection, and I got it all over my hand, so my hand is like, but here, I'll show you my chest and how great this looks. I should have done it before and after, but probably insert that video in here. And I'll also link my website where you can purchase this and my lip gloss. So yeah, that's the video. I'm gonna cut these and then come back and show what they look like short. I hope it doesn't destroy my hard work. This is how we're waving now. So I went ahead and cut them. Yeah, I can't do long nails. But they're still the same color. And I think they still just as pretty. I know a lot of people like longer nails. I just can't do it. But same color, just cut them and filed them to more of an almond shape, to more of something I can manage. That's what it looks like. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time watching me, or you've been watching for a bit and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I have a lot more videos just like this. Well, no, not like this. This is my first video doing any nails. Okay, I have a lot more videos with me and my face, so go watch them and like them. Thank you. I'm gonna start waving like this now. Bye. So you know, get to see all of these. Oh, it's so pretty. Like, come on. Okay, bye.